Welcome to Turbo Rider. The 2025 Honda XRM 125 is one of the most popular underbone motorcycles in Asia, especially in the Philippines. It's not a regular scooter, but rather a semi-scooter style commuter bike, built tough for both city rides and rough roads. Engine and performance. The XRM 125 comes with a 124.9 cubic centimeters, 4-stroke, air-cooled, SOHC engine. It produces around 9.5 horsepower at 7,500 RPM and 10.4 Newton-meters of torque at 5,000 RPM. The bike features PGM-FI fuel injection for better efficiency, and it's equipped with both electric and kickstarter options. Power is delivered through a 4-speed semi-automatic transmission, making it easy to ride for beginners and experienced riders alike. Dimensions and chassis. This motorcycle is compact, lightweight, and easy to handle. Overall length, about 1,933 millimeters. Seat height, only 775 millimeters, making it comfortable for short riders. Ground clearance, 145 millimeters, perfect for rough terrain. Weight, just around 99 to 102 kilograms. Fuel tank capacity, 3.9 liters. Suspension and brakes. The XRM 125 uses a telescopic fork in the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear, ensuring a smooth ride. Braking is handled by a hydraulic disc at the front, while the rear has either a drum or disc brake, depending on the variant. Tires and wheels. It rides on 17-inch spoke wheels, with front tire, 70/90ths, 17. Rear tire, 80/90ths, 17. This setup gives stability on both paved and unpaved roads. Key features. Sporty underbone, a motocross-inspired design. Strong and durable build, perfect for daily commutes and rough conditions. Modern headlight design with halogen lamp. Comfortable seat for long rides. Utility rack in some variants. Excellent fuel economy of around 55 to 60 kilometers per liter. Variants. The 2025 Honda XRM 125 is available in 3 main versions. 1. XRM 125DS, Dual Sport, off-road inspired. 2. XRM 125 Motored, street-oriented with alloy wheels. 3. XRM 125 DSX, updated design and graphics. Price, Philippines, 2025. The price ranges from 74,900 Cuban pesos to 79,900 Cuban pesos PHP, around 2.8 to 3.2 lakh PKR equivalent. Conclusion. The Honda XRM 125, 2025, is a reliable, fuel-efficient, and versatile motorcycle. It's a perfect choice for riders who need a bike that can handle city traffic, daily commuting, and rough roads with ease. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.